Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on a hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down twice from the top of the screen to open the Quick panel. In the Quick panel, hold down on the Mobile Hotspot button. You may have to swipe to the right a bit to find it. This will open up the hotspot settings, where you can see the name of your hotspot and what the current password is. You can switch the hotspot on from here by turning the toggle on at the top of the page. You can see what devices are connected to your hotspot at the bottom of the page. If you tap Configure, you can change the name of your hotspot and also change the password. Tap Save when you are done editing. If you tap QR code in the bottom left, then a QR code will appear on your screen. People can scan this to join your hotspot without entering the password. You can save the QR code as an image and also send it if you like. Once you have your hotspot settings set up to your liking, you can switch it on by just swiping down twice from the top of the screen to open the Quick panel, and then tapping on the Mobile Hotspot button. You switch the hotspot off by tapping the button again. When the hotspot is on, the button will be blue, and when it's off, it will be grey. When the hotspot is on, there will be this little icon at the top of the screen. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.